The penthouses at Westminster Park, Liverpool are a stunning collection of 1- and 2-bedroom apartments starting from £167,000 and paying a return of up to 11% net. Occupying the top 3 floors of the development, floor-to-ceiling windows will fill the properties with light and provide incredible views of the city below. The project is a cut above anything else in the area, supporting demand for use as serviced accommodation or as a traditional buy-to-let rental investment. With 21% capital growth forecast for the next 5 years and almost 14% rental growth predicted by JLL, this is an opportunity that's set to hit the heights. For full details of the development, including the current incentives, register now and we'll be in touch with full information on the project.